And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I am back with another video. Caspians, we're taking over. We're taking the world by storm. The global takeover of Kaspa is upon us. It is on its way, guys, and you won't want to fade this project. I hope y'all are still holding y'all bags, man. I know I am. Caspians, I appreciate all the support that you give on the videos. My previous video did very well, get it to 1,000 views. All the Kaspa videos are in a playlist, so go rewatch that playlist. Go rewatch all the Kaspa videos. I get some hate for, the content, but that's all a part of life. You can't get everyone to like you. That's absolutely impossible. But for the people that do support, I truly appreciate you guys. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It means a lot. The first thing we're gonna check out is a video from Larry Fink. Larry Fink, right? The CEO of Blackrock, $15 trillion asset manager, now looking to dip their toes, not even dip their toes, go full on into Bitcoin and crypto. Guys, this is huge. No matter what people say, this is huge, man. Because when the institutional and the bankers, the people in the stock market, the hedge funds start to invest in Bitcoin and crypto, imagine the amount of bullish price action that we're gonna get, right? Kaspa is already so bullish without any of the overall markets, because it's a unicorn. It does its own thing to the upside, downside, you name it, right? But it always does its own thing in a positive way, right? But imagine on top of that, you get, great bullish market sentiment, guys. Let's take a look at this video.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the owner.
Larry Fink himself said that crypto, Bitcoin is terrible. It's just used for illegal activity, and that's it. There's no intrinsic value for Bitcoin and crypto. And now, all of a sudden, the message has turned. The message has changed, and it's not about all the pretty words he's saying. It's just about wealth and money. That's all it's really about. They see the demand of crypto, they see the demand of what's happening in the space, Web3, and they want to get their hands on it as well. It's just typical, right? But this is why I'm always gonna be bullish on Kas, because it is full decentralization. If Larry Fink wants to pump my Kaspa bags, eventually he buys some Bitcoin, and then Kaspa is in the top 2 or 3 crypto, and he wants to buy some more Kaspa to pump my bags even further, go right ahead. But there's no way they could control my Kaspa, right? And I love that so much. There's no manipulation that could happen. There's no strange activities in the price action that could happen, guys. And that is why I'm super bullish on Kaspa, along with the technology also. Kaspa sitting at $447 million in market cap, $11.9 million in 24-hour trade volume. Let's see what the Caspians are saying on CMC, man. This is not scam. The goal of Kas is to make everyday transactions with it. Why get it out of Kaspa? Hold and buy more. Couldn't say it better myself. Kaspa, $50 from Sleepy Joe. $50. Okay, sign me up. Kas, digital silver. You like Litecoin, then you love Kas. It's the future store of value. It's as fast as hardware can be made. BTC 2.0. I think you should call it Kaspa 1.0, man, because it's in a different league. Even compared to BTC, it's in a different league, man. Okay, I can't say that. I'm bullish on Kas. I'm bullish AppStack. I'm bullish on Kas. Kas has the answer. They got some beers in here saying it's a dead project by Cadena. It's a scam, but they're just gonna miss out on the train, man. That's That's how it always happens, guys. You're just gonna miss out on the trade. Kaspa, 63.2k followers on Twitter. No new tweets from them recently. Last thing they made was the partnership with Rhubarb Media, which is very nice. Another person using Kaspa as a payment method. That's always great to see. I've seen it over. I've seen not to mention another project, but I've seen like Bitcoin Cash being used as a payment method in a lot of different countries, right? I've seen that like on my timeline. And when they realize Kaspa and how fast Kaspa is, I'm sure Kaspa is going to be all over in a ton of different countries as a means of payment, guys. So from the Kaspa chart, as you can see, it hold the support level right here and then bounced up, broke out that resistance, held that support, made a bounce, and it's retracing back down. Right now I think this is gonna be like a retest of the support level to bounce once again. Obviously, guys, I'm not the best at TA, but something like that could potentially happen, or it could just, you know, start bouncing from this area. You never know, right? Because my lines might not be the best drawn. So forgive me, bear with me, guys. You know, I'm getting better every day. But yeah, we'll see what happens with the Kaspa chart. It's still super bullish. It came down to this level right here, that 0.002 mark, and I hope you guys bought that, because I drew these lines like a while, like since my last video. I drew these lines, right? That was like what, a couple days ago. Yeah. So it came down to this support level. We were all saying it might come back down to that 0.02. I said it in my previous video, or the 0.19 cent mark, right? 0.2 cent mark, 0.19, 2 cent mark, 19 cent mark, right? And that's what it did, and then made a bounce, right? A lot of people were looking at that level, and that's when the bull stepped in. So could be the start of the uptrend once again for Kaspa from here, and we'll keep an eye on that, guys. Obviously, from Simple Swap, glad to present our exciting integration with Kaspa. Now you can get Kas via the Simple Swap widget right on the Kaspa website. Kas is only available to get for more than 1,000 other digital assets on our platform. Look at that, man. I'm telling you, this is why I said a lot of projects or a lot of companies, a lot of payment platforms are going to be accepting and using Kaspa because of its technology and how fast it is. Like, why would I wait, you know, a minute with a minute, 2-3 minutes for a transaction when it could happen in seconds with Kaspa? Like, it doesn't make any sense, man. 8 seconds with Kaspa, it may be even less. Like, it's gonna get to the point where it's instant. As soon as you hit send, instantly receives, right? Whenever the 10 BPS mainnet goes live. From Jim Skibum, Kaspa top gainer today of all top 100 coins. Oh, what's that? You didn't realize that Kaspa currency is in the top 100? Well, you should probably get off CMC and use something else, because they do not include coins not on Binance. My prediction, Kas makes top 10 by 2025 and reaches 100 bill market cap this cycle, comparable to ADA all-time high. Corresponds with a 490 price tag depending on circulating supply at that time. Jeez, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, people are calling for that $1 to $5 mark for Kaspa. Hey, you know, Jim Skibum been in the Kaspa community, I'm sure, way longer than me, and I'm not gonna rule out 100 bill market cap for a monster like this, guys, because you gotta watch when a project shows strength against the rest of the market. Remember, all of the bear market, like for the entire bear market, everything else was dumping, and what was Kaspa doing? Let me draw this circle a lot better. This was what Kaspa was doing in the bear market. You're supposed to be crashing in the bear market. It came out around, you know, end of the year last year, and we were still super bearish, man, and it crushed it, and it's gonna do the same thing again over on this area right here, guys. It's gonna do the same thing, straight to that 14-15 cent mark this year, in my opinion, right? Shout out to Jim Skibum. Altcoin Miyagi. Kas looking at 2 potential entries here. Daily is very oversold, so wouldn't be surprised we only reached the first POI or POL. I'm DCing all the way down, starting now. Bigger buys in the first box and then all the way to the second. We all know where Kas is going. We all know where Kas is going, man. We really do. That's why I said that 2 cent mark. If people were supposed to buy on that 2 cent mark, guys, because that's the entry he's looking at once again, That's the entry he's looking at. This was, oh, my apologies. This was your entry point right here, 2 cent right there. That was your entry, but it may retrace once again. You can see it might come back down once again, and then you could enter in that range. From Captain Sats, Kaspa Currency Crew. This is an exchange between Zuko Wilcox, ZEC founder, another Satoshi candidate, can't speak, my apologies, and Gunsira Avalanche founder. If you don't know who they're referring to or talking about, it is Jonathan's excellent track record. Jonathan says that they explored many algorithms which turned out not to provide these properties until they found this one that works. The new protocol is something to do with each new block voting on order of all blocks that it knows of. Wow. A block preemptively delegates its votes on the blocks unknown to all blocks in its future. This is back in 2015. Crazy, man. Yoni Yoni, they got a nickname for him, Yoni. Yoni's protocol is probably resilient to all these attacks, double spending, censorship, and delayed acceptance. Somehow that is their paper Bitcoin 50% as well. They are academics, so I guess they will appear. Thanks. Didn't realize this was Avi Zohar's group. Excellent track record. Looking forward to their paper. Yoni's protocol. Shout out to Yoni. Tell you guys, they were using Yoni's protocol back then to develop their projects. Avalanche, ADA, Ethereum. They were using Yoni's protocol, guys. This is why I say don't fake cash. Shout out to Captain Stats for the amazing tweet. Got another TA from Mario Goldstein. Kaspa looks bullish at the moment. Nevertheless, a slight consolidation is to be expected while the daily chart sits in a cup and handle ready to rock. 15-minute RSI is in the process of forming one as it's slightly overbought in the RSI. Whoa, that's one big cup and handle. Let me see, man. That's a big cup and handle, man. Okay, I see what he's saying. Okay. Got the handle right here. It is forming the handle right now. You know, this is the cup right here. This is the cup. You know, it is forming that handle right now. So we'll see what happens with it, man. But all I know, we all know where Kaspa is going. So just pick your entries. Pick your entries DC into the red days, guys, because we're gonna absolutely go bonkers with Kaspa, man. Like I said, 100K. 10K to 100K. If you want to go above that, go right ahead. But you know, 10K to 100K cash come the bull run, you could potentially get 10K to 50K to 100K to 500K, right? Gains are gains, man. I'm telling you. Jiren primed to become a true powerhouse in the next bull run with very strong fundamentals, all-star team of innovators, strong community, and solving the blockchain trilemma. Here's a dive into Kaspa and why I think millionaires will be made in the next bull run with it. What is Kaspa? Ghost DAG protocol, in it for the tech. What makes it special? Nakamoto consensus, block DAG, Ghost DAG, pruning. Breaks down the Nakamoto consensus engine. What is DAG? Directed acyclic graph technology, DAG versus blockchain. I've showed you guys images of what DAG technology looks like. The blockchain is basically one block after another, but the DAG technology is multiple blocks interconnected in this infinite like scaling, right? Scalability, who founded Kaspa, tokenomics, conclusion. Shout out to Jiren for the thread, man. Most of this we've already went through. The video already stretched on a bit too long. Maybe in the next video I go through the entire thread from Jiren, one step at a time for people that are new to Kaspa. Hit that follow for Jiren, man. Shout out to Jiren for the nice thread. Very concise from what I see. So yeah, we could probably go through it in the next video. Caspians, thanks so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself will be in the description. To the moon, guys. $1 to $5 Kaspa. Let's get it. Blow this video up. We are up 9% on the 24-hour, guys. It's gonna keep crushing it. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna look back at these old videos and be like, yep, good thing we got in at these levels. So thank y'all so much again. I'll catch you in the next one.